What's up, guys? It's Mila at WTI. Can you tell I'm sounding a little under the weather? I'm actually recovering from a flu, and I feel like it's my fault because I stopped taking my immune support by Source Naturals. You guys, I don't know why I did that, but I did. And I'm back on it, and I'm feeling a lot more confident facing the flu season. So with this blend here, I feel like you're getting a great combating force for any types of virus and just keeping your body and health at its top. I mean, if you're looking at this product, it's because you have noticed that it has a lot of stuff to support immunity. And they're very easy to take. General serving for these is 6 capsules. Now, for me, when I'm doing maintenance, I don't have to have that much. But I just want to show you the size because they're very easy to take. As you can see, they're a typical capsule and they're not difficult to swallow, which is pretty important for most of us. I mean, most people don't like taking pills. You're such a pill. That saying is there for a reason. These guys are actually really easy to take. Voila, no issue whatsoever. If you're looking for a product to just kind of get you through the season with a little extra boost, where you're likely to fight off things rather than, like I experienced, have it knock you out for the count, this is a great option. I love it, and that's my point of view.